presented by Peter Rahul from Digital Moment. And the junior winners are Ali Sufi and Anthony Sang from South Fraser, British Columbia.
So we've attended the Canada-wide Science Fair in years before, but this is the first time that Digital Moment is sponsoring 3 awards for youth in the junior, intermediate, and senior levels, so between the grades 8 to 12. So we're giving out cash prizes as well as certificates. And the criteria is if their project relates to one of the Sustainable Development Goals for using tech for social good. It's really great to actually talk to the kids and engage with them. We get to show them how to use the microbit, we get to show them how to do text-based, block-based coding on Scratch.
And it's been really rewarding and really fun just seeing kids really engage with the projects. Students are definitely very happy when they get to take a microbit home, and some of them, they really know what to do with the microbit, so they can take it home and code it all on their own. But we also have kids who they aren't really sure what to do with it, and that's okay because they'll come back to us the next day, or they can sign up for some of our workshops and then we can teach them about how to use the microbit.
Alors, ils sont nerveux au début. Durant la semaine, ils s'épanouissent comme des fleurs au soleil. Ils sont beaucoup plus extravertis. C'est merveilleux de les voir.
L'Expo Sciences pan-canadienne est une expérience extraordinaire pour les participants. Ils ont tous travaillé très, très fort. They are so passionate about it, and it's so gratifying to hear. And so, you know, the overall things, on est entre bonnes mains.